Welcome to another trade recap. Today's trade recap is for Tuesday, January 28th. As we're approaching the end of January, we're starting to see some better price action. Today was textbook trading, probably one of the best, cleanest setups I've seen this whole year so far. It goes along with my strategy. So, without further ado, let me get right into it, right? So, coming right off into the 4 hour confluences, right? We just had this 4 hour low, and that's pretty much it, right? This 4 hour gap had been mitigated, but we did have this huge imbalance on the 4 hour. Scaling down further, we had these 1 hour lows right here, and then these 1 hour highs. They look like 1 hour equal highs. Resting up here as well. So that's where price. This is where price was at. At market open, right? These were my confluences for the 4 hour and 1 hour. Scaling down further, right? Now after we got our confluences on the higher time frames, what are we waiting for? A sweep of liquidity from either side. So in this case, we got this liquidity sweep right at market open. Further down, 945. We see the up candle form at 950. Once that candle forms, I'm ready to take a trade. So therefore, scaling down to 950. Now, I was not on the charts to catch this trade, but I was on the charts to catch this trade. So there was two setups, beautiful setups you could have taken. Right, first setup, which I would have loved to take, but again I wasn't on the charts at this time, was this 945, 950. Right after 950, the candle forms. Right, the opposite side. That's what I'm ready to look for a trade. Candles formed at 950, which is around right here. Got this big push gap candle up. Got that fair value gap form. Tap into, cross to the EMAs. Again, not overbought. Not overbought. And we got a nice rejection and closure above. So we got a nice bullish engulfing candle, right? So that's what would have been an ideal trade, ideal entry if I would have been on the chart since the beginning, right? Aiming for these 1 hour highs, right? And these were 5 minute imbalances that I marked out. But yeah, I would have took partials here, and then final TP all the way up here. Not the case. So, however, again, I did not come into the chart until around this time, 10 o'clock, when I see this huge gap. This time I knew we were oversold. I was just waiting for a retracement back into it because, again, we were oversold on the RSI. And I was trying to see if we got a rejection, if this fair value gap held, which it did. As soon as I saw that nice rejection out of it, momentum out of it, I entered. Stop was very tight at the I didn't put it at the end of the candle or body. I put it at the end of the fair value gap, and I just aimed for these highs all the way. And it played out perfectly. Yeah, there was two possible good trades you could have taken today. Two entries. This one was the initial entry I would have taken as soon as we crossed the EMAs. Sadly, I wasn't on the charts, but we did get another opportunity. Thank you to the market. And we did bang today a 2.87, which is not that much different, right? 3.51, 2.87 is still good. RR, risk to reward. So I'm happy. And again, this was probably one of the best price actions we've seen all year. This far. A lot of people think you need to trade every single day. In all reality, all you need is 3 to 5 good trades a month, and you'll be set. All right. So just a little FYI. Um, change your perspective. You overtrade a lot. But yeah, this was my trade for the day. And if we scale out 5 minute, right, we could see, which made me kind of anticipate that pullback and then start that rejection, right? 5 minute, we had tapped into this order block and got a nice rejection out of it on that 5 minute. So, and also beautiful. We had this 5 minute order block right here that we got to push into and a nice rejection out of it, which led to me holding my position rather than just taking or closing out my trade at these 5 minute gaps, right? Because I was seeing that nice momentum and also a nice push out of it and closure out of it as well. Like they say, there's nothing, there's no better teacher than the live market. Um, I cannot emphasize that a lot. I mean, it's true. Ain't nothing better than the market as your teacher. That's where you're gonna put in the work, you get the experience, you'll reap the rewards. But with that being said, guys, thank you for tuning in. Um, today was a lot of news. Tomorrow is FOMC, so I'm not gonna trade. So I'll be looking to see if I catch a trade on Thursday or Friday if my setup presents itself. Yeah. With that being said, guys, happy trading. If I don't catch a trade for the rest of this month, catch you on the next month. Peace.